Well, we're in a hot seller's market. I can sell my home on my own. I know today's market is super hot and homes are selling over asking price, getting multiple offers, and on the market for only a few days. Easy peasy, right? Well, according to DameRamsey.com, sellers using the for sale by owner option sold their home for less than the median selling price of other homes. I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate, and there are several things that a licensed professional realtor can bring to the table that the average individual does not have access to or knowledge of. As a seller of your property, you are prepared to pay out of pocket for expenses such as sign, marketing, advertising. Do you think a sign in a front lawn and a potential on Zillow or Realtor.com is enough? Do you have the time to show the home to every interested buyer? Are you going to be available for inspection, appraisal, and walkthroughs? Are you aware of all the legal mandated disclosure and forms that are required? Do you have access to comparable sales in your neighborhood? Zillow admits their estimates are within 10% of the final sales price, only 71.5% of the time. That doesn't sound like guarantee research to me. This inaccurate information could end up costing you thousands of dollars, not to mention time, to do research, showing, marketing, and legality on your own. With me as your broker, I incur all the marketing costs, sign, flyer, professional photography, video marketing, and so much more. Just the digital marketing, social media, advertising, and geofencing in of itself is a full-time job. I have access to multiple listing services, MLS, which expand to your buyer search. My digital marketing plan will expose your home to the mass. In order to price your home properly, you need someone who has experience analyzing the local market, inventory, and comparative market analysis, and the MLS. Legally, you are represented by a brokerage that has your best interest in mind and is compliant with disclosure, coordinate with title, escrow, and lender. To sum it all, a licensed realtor or broker sells home every day and know the dynamic of the market. A realtor is on your side to negotiate on your behalf so that you can be concerned with packing, coordinating your move, and finalizing your utilities, moving truck, and everything else involved in moving. Not to mention, buyers tend to be skeptical of people selling on their own because it's the largest investment of their life for most people, and they typically factor in the saving of the seller not paying a commission and adjusting the offering price lower to offset that. You need a trusted advisor on your side, which also provides reinsurance to the buyers. If you are thinking about selling your home on your own, let's connect. I will be happy to discuss your real estate goal and how we can achieve them. Again, I am Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. And at DBK Real Estate, my team and I, we have the result that will move you.